Imagine the universe, vast, complex, filled with billions upon billions of stars. Now imagine trying to track every single star. Impossible, right? Inventory control is similar. Businesses handle countless items. Tracking everything equally is inefficient and costly. That's where selective inventory control techniques come in. These are like our telescopes, helping us focus on the most important stars in our inventory. By prioritizing our efforts, we can optimize resources, minimize waste, and ensure that we have what we need when we need it. Just as astronomers categorize celestial objects, inventory control methods help us understand and manage our inventory universe.
One of the most popular inventory control techniques is ABC analysis. This method categorizes inventory based on its value and usage. A items represent the highest value items. They are relatively small in number but account for a significant portion of the total inventory value. High priority, frequent monitoring. Think of these as the brightest stars in our sky. B items fall in the middle. They have medium value, medium usage items. It has medium priority, periodic monitoring. C items make up the largest percentage of inventory but hold the least value. Low value, low usage items. These are like the countless faint stars we can barely see. Low priority, minimal monitoring. By focusing on A items, businesses can ensure tight control, reduce holding costs, and minimize the risk of stockouts.
Imagine a spaceship. Some parts are absolutely critical for its operation, the engine, life support, navigation. Others are important but not mission critical, like the cafeteria or entertainment system. VED analysis categorizes inventory based on criticality. V items are vital. Without them, operations would cease. Essential for production or customer satisfaction. High impact on business operations. High priority, frequent monitoring. E items are essential. They are needed for smooth functioning. Important but not critical. Moderate impact on business operations, medium priority, periodic monitoring. D items are desirable, but their absence won't halt operations entirely. Non-essential or luxury items. Low impact on business operations, low priority, minimal monitoring. This method is particularly useful for industries where even short disruptions can have significant consequences. Think of hospitals, airlines, or manufacturing plants.
FSN analysis. Star stuff in motion. Just as stars have life cycles, so do inventory items. Some are constantly in demand, while others gather dust on the shelves. FSN analysis categorizes inventory based on its movement. Classify inventory based on usage frequency. F items are fast-moving, high usage rate, frequent replenishment, high priority, frequent monitoring. They are in high demand and turn over quickly. These are like the popular tourist destinations in the universe. S items are slow-moving, moderate usage rate, periodic replenishment, medium priority, periodic monitoring. They have lower demand and spend more time in inventory. N items are non-moving. They haven't been sold or used for a specified period. Low or zero usage rate. These are like the distant, unexplored corners of space. FSN analysis helps identify slow-moving and non-moving inventory. This allows businesses to investigate the reasons behind the slow movement, liquidate dead stock, and free up valuable warehouse space.
XYZ and HML, analyzing the celestial tapestry. XYZ analysis complements ABC analysis. It classifies inventory based on demand variability. X items have stable demand, Y items have fluctuating demand, and Z items have unpredictable or sporadic demand. HML analysis, on the other hand, classifies inventory based on its value and criticality. H items are high value and critical, M items are moderate value, and L items are low value. By combining these methods, businesses can gain a more nuanced understanding of their inventory. It's like using different telescopes to observe the universe at various wavelengths, revealing hidden details and patterns. This multifaceted approach allows for more accurate forecasting, optimized safety stock levels, and improved inventory planning.
SDE analysis and beyond. Navigating the inventory cosmos. SDE analysis looks at procurement difficulty. S items are easily sourced, D items are difficult to obtain, and E items require special effort to procure. This method is particularly important for businesses that rely on complex supply chains. These are just a few of the many selective inventory control techniques available. The best method, or combination of methods, will depend on the specific industry, business model, and inventory characteristics. Just as our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving, so too are inventory control methods. By embracing these techniques, businesses can navigate the complex world of inventory management and optimize their operations for success.